We strongly suggest attaching the RST sticker number to the control housing. Hold the pound button until number 3 lights up green. Step 2, programming the keypad, will push star, enter 0000, then press star again. Then enter the access code that you want, 1234, then star. Number 3 will light up again. Now we're going to program it to the opener. Push and release the learn button, then immediately enter the access code 1234 in the keypad, and then the LED light will go out from the learn button. Then re-enter 1234 and it will activate the door.